Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face straight to youtube.com program. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how to face this program, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys to this is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your settings application. Now once you open your settings over here, all you want to do is to just scroll to where you can see apps and notifications. Now once you click on apps and notifications, click on application settings, and it's gonna load all your applications over here. So just wait for your apps. You can see loading for your apps. Now scroll to where you can see YouTube over here. Now once you scroll down, you can see your YouTube over here. Open YouTube. Now once you open YouTube, you can see force stop. Click on that and then click on storage and cache, and then clear cache of YouTube. Now once you are done over here, just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store over here, you can see your profile at the upper right corner. Click on that and then click on settings. Now once you click on settings over here, you can see about. Click on about and you can see Play Store version. Now update Play Store to the latest version and make sure you are using the latest version of your Play Store. Now this is how to easily update your Play Store. Now once you are done, just search for YouTube over here. And once you search for your YouTube, just update your YouTube application to the latest version. So just download the latest version of your YouTube application, and by performing all this, your program will be fixed. So with this, you can face straight to youtube.com program. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video